Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Volkswagen EOS Convertible, stock reference number 5626. The shape runs from the 5th month 2010 through to the 12th month 2014. It has a CCZB 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. CCZB 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left guard has no damage, left power door mirror, bonnet has no damage, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left door has no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, with the left-hand tail light, left boot lid garnish, boot lid has no damage, right boot lid garnish, right tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right power door mirror, right guard, no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with audio and phone buttons.